Hi guys, today I'll be showing you some squishies I got from Simply Random. She has a store in Store Envy, so let's get on with the video. Okay, first up we have these Rilakkuma sugary breads. There's 4 in here. We have Rilakkuma and Rilakkuma. Let's open this up. I'll just take these two since there's 4. Okay, wait, so here's Rilakkuma. And here's Rilakkuma. And these are not scented. Next up, we have the Sumiko bread loaf. Here's the packaging. It has like all the characters, super cute. And even like, you know, real breads, they have this little twist thing on the top. Take that off. And here it is. It has the penguin on it. This one. As I squeeze it, you can like feel the air inside. It's strange. And this is not scented. Okay, here are the eye bloom croissants. I haven't seen them anywhere else but this shop. This is a strawberry in the original one. There's also a rainbow and a dark chocolate one. Here we go, let me just bring it on the top. Really slow rising. And this one smells like strawberries. It's like more of a faint smell. And it's super sweet. I really like it. Here's the original. And this one just smells like butter. Okay, so next I'm showing you guys all of these together because these are actually all the extras that she has sent me. Like, this is why I love her. Like, just so you know, these are actually probably from 5 or 6 different packages. So no, I didn't get these all at once. But these extras are like really good, like they're licensed. Like we have this little Tiffy charm right here. Looks like a biscuit. We have, I think this might be some sort of donut or a bagel. We have this little donut right here. And even like some Cafe Dien's. Here's one. There's also this other one. Bread. We have a Sammy rainbow bagel. We have this Hello Kitty charm here, and I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is from 2004, so this is really old, and the condition's really good though, like, it looks just new. And we have this little bunny mochi thing. We have Panda bun. Let's see, there's so much here, I'm losing track. We also have this little keychain. Some Pico-chan keychains, a silver banana, and a pretzel. Okay, so here's some mochi ice cream. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, you'll see that yesterday I have posted a video of this. Here it is. The packaging even looks real. Comes with 2. I'm pretty sure they also released one that just comes with 1. I haven't opened this one yet. You can see that at the start it is coated with like some sort of powdery stuff to make it feel and look more like mochi. Here's the one that I opened. So now it's just kind of like a balloon. Has this little fork thing. Has this tag. I'm not sure what it says. Probably do not eat, I'm guessing. Something like that. It's really soft and squishy though, compared to other mochi things I've had. Kind of stretchy. And inside it does have some sort of mushy stuff. And it smells sweet. Okay, here we have some taiyaki squeeze toys, or I don't know, it's more like mochi, I think. Here's a pink one, they each have different packaging. And here's a black one. Start off with this one. Here it is. Oh, kind of feels like a balloon. It's like kind of sticky. Inside, I feel like the inside has to be broken up. I feel, unless it's supposed to be like that, it feels like a bunch of hard chunks. Kind of different. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that. Here it is. Let's see the pink one. Okay, the pink one's a bit better. I still kind of feel it. And it is stretchy though. Okay, next we have this Rilakkuma arcade tag squishy. And yeah, this one's super rare, so I'm not going to squish it, but she does have a couple of these in her shop. Super cute though. A little croissant. Okay, and here I have the 2 boxes of Survivment blind bag squishies. We have the bakery set and the pastry set. And I have opened these up in another video of mine, so if you guys want to see that, you can click the link in the description. So again, here's everything in this video, and I'll leave the seller's link down in the description below, and thanks for watching.